Hi, this is a demonstration of SunTracker solar panel project. So this is a important system where you need to get the maximum efficiency out of the solar power and use it to drive our systems. So in order to get maximum efficiency out of in a solar system, what we need to do is we need to continuously track the sun's position and position our solar panel according to the sun so as to get the maximum efficiency throughout the day. So since sun travels from one direction, from east to west, north, south, in depending on different areas and different geolocations on the earth. So what our solar panel does is our solar panel tracks the sun in this way wherever it goes. So this system doesn't use the light and heat intensity to detect the perfect angle to position it. Instead of that, this is programmed to work on a timely manner. So the system is programmed to track the sun, to position it in a particular direction at a particular time. So depending on the current time, depending on the time program, it positions the solar panel to get the maximum efficiency instead of positioning it based on the sun's intensity. So let's see how the system works. So we have turned on the system. So for demonstration purpose, we have programmed this to work on a small time period, because we can't wait whole day to see its live demonstration, to see it turning according to the sun. So currently it's turning in a matter of seconds. So here the stepper motor is used to rotate the panel according to sun's direction as programmed. So the code is written in a microcontroller to turn the stepper motor at particular angles. So, and this would be pre-programmed to according to the sun's movement in that particular area or geolocation. So this is how we can efficiently track solar panel by using a stepper motor and panel connected to it. So this is how SunTracker solar panel system works. Thank you.